ASTROAI 150 PSI. ASTROAI digital tire pressure gauge helps you maintain correct tire pressure, reduce tire wear, and extend tire life. The backlit LCD display and lighted nozzle are for visibility in dimly lit areas, and the accurate and easy-to-read digits help you easily measure your vehicle's tire pressure. The non-slip texture makes it easy to hold onto, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold. DIVI USB car charger. The DIVI USB charger is one of the most suitable chargers for a car in the market. The charger allows you to rapidly charge 2 devices at full speed with 2.4 amps in each USB port. The aluminum case looks very impressive than the plastic options on the market. High-quality materials let your car charger always look new. Upgrade metal car chargers will not be overheating at high temperatures, which is safer than plastic ones. The full zinc alloy body features scratch-resistant technology with a compact design and long-lasting in use. The DIVI charger has offered safety guarantees, which is really great. FIREFLY Bluetooth receiver. Transform your car audio sound systems and home stereo into wireless and Bluetooth-compatible speakers with just one easy-to-use plug. Add Bluetooth to your car audio system, the world's tiniest music receiver. The FIREFLY Bluetooth receiver allows you to stream songs from your smartphone to any device with an aux input. No charging needed. When you turn on the car's engine, FIREFLY automatically switches on or turns on your speaker. Just plug it into the receiver, into your audio system, and a USB power source, and pair it with your phone. Once paired, the gadget will remember your device and auto-connect next time. ARTECK Car Jump Starter 8000 mAh. This amazing little gadget will lump your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. With heavy-duty cables and the clamp built in, charge portable devices such as tablets, cameras, smartphones, wireless headphones, and portable gaming system phones, or other devices in speeds up to 2.1 amps via the USB. And if that wasn't enough, the gadget also has an ultra-bright LED torch built in. You can get in-package car adapter charging base, jumper clamps, and ARTECK multifunctional car jump starter external battery. LDESIGN wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. Hook up your smartphone to this Bluetooth transmitter and play your own tunes through your vehicle stereo. With an inbuilt microphone, noise suppression, and echo cancellation, this transmitter handedly doubles up as a hands-free calling device and triples up as a charger. It comes with a 5-volt 2.1 amp charging port to charge almost all USB devices. With USB charge function, allows you to play music from your smartphone or tablet during charging. Plugging this handy gadget into your cigarette lighter socket, this gadget is easy to use, and according to users who have already bought it, provides next-level performance qualities. The safe output current feature will never damage your devices. VANTOP H612 Mirror Dashcam. The VANTOP H612 is a dashcam and manages to stay hidden in plain sight. The front-facing camera uses a Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor that even provides clear viewpoints in the dark. The gadget features a 12-inch 2.6-liter HD touchscreen and control panel and is attached to the car's rearview mirror. It also features time-lapse recording and parking assist features. A backup camera is also included with a 160-degree viewing angle. A 17-degree view front-facing camera behind the unit is also waterproof. Memory cards up to 128 GB are supported. AESCORT Max 360. The AESCORT Max 360 is one of the most well-designed, perfect, and accurate radar detectors on the market. The AESCORT Max 360 is powerful, boasting dual antennas, smartphone compatibility, and full network access to be aware of speedsters in your area. It's one of these safer gadgets you can keep on board. As a safe driving tool, it keeps drivers alert to their area's speed limits by notifying them of nearby patrol vehicles. If there is an emergency nearby, AESCORT Max will make you aware of it. CHGEEK wireless car charger mount. The handheld maps are becoming more and more detailed, which have also started to eat up on dedicated map-centric car gadgets from Garmin and TomTom. So buying a sturdy car mount is a wise option that can do both navigation and entertainment duties in a car. This mount can be mounted on the dashboard, windshield, and even the air vents, using either the air vent clamp or a reusable and washable gel suction cup. The mount also gets a QI wireless charging pad that allows you to charge compatible Android and Apple smartphones. It has a 360-degree rotating ball that allows you to position it in a comfortable position. DustBuster handheld vacuum. Getting into a clean car cabin can freshen up your day, so an easy-to-use vacuum cleaner is a much-needed addition to your car. The cordless vacuum cleaner is the better one out there among the bunch of dust suckers. The Smart Cup design for storage of sucked dirt also makes handling and clearing out waste a breeze. Moreover, the sleek design helps it reach narrow areas with ease. It uses a lithium-ion battery pack that has a commendable runtime and can retain its charge for up to 12 months. BLUEDRIVER. The BLUEDRIVER, a tiny device that can monitor the car's health and performance data and tell you of problems as soon as they arise. It is a Bluetooth-enabled device that allows users to get all the scanned data on the smartphone using the free BLUEDRIVER app. It also has access to the complete ECU coding of automakers like GM, Toyota, Ford, Honda, and more. The gadget is on the expensive side, but it's very well worth the added expenditure for what you save on later in terms of early diagnosis and rectification of potentially serious errors. SCOSCHE USB charger. If you're on the go for work, taking calls every 5 minutes, it's a great time to give your smartphone a boost of charge. This SCOSCHE USB charger is tiny and fits neatly into your car's cigarette lighter socket. The gadget works with almost all smartphones and devices, and there are 2 ports so you can charge up your phone and your tablet at the same time. The gadget comes with amazing fast charging technology, provides dual 12-watt USB ports. It provides optimized charge time for all Android and Apple devices. AA Car Essentials Emergency Winter Car Kit. The AA Car Essentials Winter Car Kit is the best option for you if you want to be prepared for the winter season, and it comes in a storage bag to stow easily in the boot of your vehicle. The gadget comes with an LED torch and a high-visibility jacket. A high-visibility jacket ensures other riders can see you, and an LED torch to help you see and be seen on those winter nights. The folding shovel is impressive and strong enough to tackle thick snow, and the ice grips will ensure you remain sturdy on your feet in winter conditions. This kit also includes rain ponchos, plus a set of fully insulated booster cables in case of any emergencies, and a blanket to keep in body heat. Chris Digital Assistant. Chris is a digital assistant, like Google Assistant or Amazon's Alexa, specifically for drivers. The smart gadget supports you like a real co-driver, giving you directions, controlling music, reading text or WhatsApp messages, and accepting calls. Attach the suction cup mount to the windscreen, like a sat-nav and paired with the mobile phone via Bluetooth. And best of all, Chris Digital Assistant also works offline, without any internet connection. Dyson V6 Car and Boat. Combining Dyson's powerful Cyclone technology designed to clean your car. 15 cyclones, arranged across 2 tiers and work in parallel to increase the airflow and able to capture more fine dust in the bin. From the crevice tool to the mini motorized tool for picking up dog hair, this tiny and light hoover is versatile. It offers a charge time of up to 20 minutes, so you can quickly clean your car without spending any money at the local hand car wash. TWGUARD. TWGUARD is the new revolutionary way of wheel and tire protection. Made from lightweight, high-quality aluminum, TWGUARD prevents damaged tires and rims. This new product offers you a cost-effective alternative to repairs and improves the rims optically without additional painting. There are many rim protectors, but none is made of sturdy aluminum and is superior in its quality. To protect the actual rim, a special aluminum ring is mounted between the rim and the guard during assembly. It sticks out a few millimeters beyond the edge of the rim. This protects both the rim from damage as well as the tire from dangerous cracks, which can lead to blowouts. ASTROAI Car Hook. ASTROAI Car Headrest Hook's 2-pack is suitable for most cars, but it's specifically designed for car seat storage. Car headrest hooks can load up to 22 pounds to meet the needs of hanging clothes and bags. There's no need to disassemble the headrest. The side opening is easy to install, and it only needs to be fixed. ABS plastic is strong that can bear 22 pounds maximum. The car's headrest hook can be rotated 360 degrees, and the custom design is suitable for most vehicle seat headrests. The hook is constructed out of premium quality material. It converts your car's headrest into a convenient storage space. The hook can swing around so it can be used for the front or back of the seat. It has a rotatable design and can be hidden when not used.